It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Our life is what our thoughts make it. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Therefore, guard accordingly, and take care that you entertain no notions unsuitable to virtue and reasonable nature. Reject your sense of injury and the injury itself disappears. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Never let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. A man's worth is no greater than his ambitions. That which is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bees. The universe is change, our life is what our thoughts make it. Poverty is the mother of crime. The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Time is a sort of river of passing events, and strong is its current. No sooner is a thing brought to sight than it is swept by and another takes its place, and this too will be swept away. Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul. Look within. Within is the fountain of good, and it will ever bubble up, if thou wilt ever dig. Begin. To begin is half the work, let half still remain. Again begin this, and thou wilt have finished. Natural ability without education has more often raised a man to glory and virtue than education without natural ability. Adapt yourself to the things among which your lot has been cast, and love sincerely the fellow creatures with whom destiny has ordained that you shall live. Let men see, let them know, a real man, who lives as he was meant to live. Such as are your habitual thoughts, such also will be the character of your mind, for the soul is dyed by the thoughts. Anger cannot be dishonest. Death is a release from the impressions of the senses, and from desires that make us their puppets, and from the vagaries of the mind, and from the hard service of the flesh. Be content with what you are, and wish not change, nor dread your last day, nor long for it.